A few days ago, we went over budgeting, but there's still a lot more we did not cover in that video. To start off, I don't even know how to start budgeting.
I need help! Hello, we are $5 sisters.
I am a little sister.
I'm a big sister.
So, big sister, I have a question. Well, earlier we were talking about budgeting, but I don't even know how to budget. Can you tell me how?
Well, there's a such thing called 50, 30, 20 rules for the budgeting.
But slow down. I don't know what that rule is. Can you first explain to me that?
Well, you know what to do. Let's Google up. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into three broad categories. 30% of your paycheck goes to your necessities, 30% your wants, and 20% to savings or investments.
Oh, so the 50-30-20 rule is just saying that 50% is put into needs like electrical bills, 30% is wants such as a candy bar, and 20% into emergency funds.
Correct. What better ways to practice, right? So majority of the viewer, just like you, never had a job. So let's pretend that it's your first job. You're 16 years old, you start having a car, maybe driving. It's going to be depends on the family to family. So let's pretend. Okay, so you have a new car or old car. The parents asking you to pay $100 a month for the car payment, right? And how about insurance? You need to pay insurance for the car. So let's say that's $100. Okay, and gas for the car $30 a week. Let's say then that's about $120 a month. Plus you have a phone. So let's say they're asking you for $80. So the total, those combined, is $400 a month. That's your needs.
Wait, I get it now. So since 50% is needs and $400 is in the needs, 400 times 2 or 50% plus 50% is 100%. So our income needs to be $800 a month.
Correct. $800 a month. That is what you actually need to make.
That's a lot of money.
That sounds a lot of money at the first, but let's break it down. So that means 4 weeks. Maybe you need to make $200 a week in order for you to make $800 a month. Let's say pretend majority of times nowadays minimum wage is more than $10. So that essentially is about 18 to 20 hours a week that you need to make. That's actually not bad.
It's not even a day stretched out in 7 days.
Yeah, so if you work like about 3 to 4 days a week, I mean that will be about $20 a week. You know, that's basically where it is. So it's not hard to reach at. So let's do that. Now, we have some real money to play with. So I'm going to show you. So weekly you were going to make a $200. So I have $200 here. And we pretend that we actually have 3 envelopes right here. So one is for needs, wants, and saving emergencies, right? So this is actually a real system. People use the envelope. I done that before when I was learning how to do budgeting. So it does work. You just need to spend within the budget. That's about it. So needs, remember it was 0.5% of your making, which is
$200 we have here. 50% of this is $100.
Yep, so there you go. $100 goes to our needs. That will be somebody else will take it, right? Because we need to pay the bill. Now, we always what? Save
First.
Save first. Yeah, emergency fund. So how much does emergency fund get percentage-wise?
Was it 20%?
20%. So 20% goes to emergency fund first.
Okay.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
So 20% of $100 is $20. Here, or
Well, no, it's a $40.
$40.
Yeah, $40. Saving emergency $40. So last, this is my favorite envelope. Wants. Why? We can have pretty much do whatever we want with those. So how much goes in there?
The rest of our money, $60.
$60. We're going wants. So all you need to do is that you already had a budgeting, which is spending plan, right? We have a needs, we have emergency, we have our wants. You just need to spend money within the budget. That's it. Is it hard?
No. When budgeting seems confusing at first, but if you really practice and if you break it down into little itty bitty pieces, it's really simple.
Yeah, all you need to do is that you have a plan for spending. That's it.
Well, I get it now, but the viewers watching may not fully get it still. So, to prepare for that, we have Smiley P over here with a review game. Back to you!
You!
Welcome back to PEA News. This is Smiley P speaking, and today we have a review game for you. Here we have two contestants, Pinky and Whitey. The aim of the game is this. We have 3 envelopes right here, and you need to point to a specific envelope to get the money from when I tell you a specific real-life situation.
Ooh.
If you get the question right, you win 2 carrots.
Yay! Ooh, I want that.
Just to let you know, you get 2 chances. Who will go first?
I want 2 carrots.
Okay, first question. You have lost your bike. You need to go buy a new one because you cannot find it anywhere. Which envelope is that from, Whitey?
I want that car or bike, so therefore that would be my wants.
Wrong! It is in the emergencies envelope because you did not expect for you to lose your bike. Last question. Hospital bills.
Ooh.
You have accidentally fallen and scraped your knee and you need to go to the hospital. Which envelope is that in, Whitey?
I need to see the doctor right away, so it's my needs.
Wrong again!
Man!
It is in the emergencies folder again because you did not expect for you to scrape your knee.
Aw,
Unfortunately, you do not get any carrots. Time for Pinky's turn.
Yay!
Okay, first question. You have gone to a mall and you see a hair accessory shop. You see a very pretty bow in there. Which envelope is that from?
It's not what I need to have on my beautiful hair. Well, even though I do need that, but I just want to have it. So it's wants. I want that bow.
Correct. Pinky wins 2 carrots.
Yay!
Last chance for 2 carrots, Pinky. Car payments. You have just recently bought a car and you need to pay for it. Which envelope is that in?
Well, that's going to be regular day bills, which means I planned it, and it's not like what I wanted, but I need that car for getting to work, so that would be my needs.
Correct! Pinky wins the grand prize of 4
Yay!
carrots.
Yay!
Alright, viewers, this game is over now. Back to you.
Oh man, I have 100% less carrot than Pinky again.
Now we all know how budgeting works. Even you guys. It's really simple when you think about it. So, anyway, what did you do with your $5 today, big sister?
Well, this week I had to exercise my emergency fund. My car needed to be repaired, so I spent some money from emergencies. Yes, life always happen unexpected, and at least I prepare for it. That's
Yeah.
all about being budgeted, right?
Well, we've covered pretty much everything about budgeting.
All right, always $5. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
If you are awesome, hit the like button.
Goodbye.